You're watching Markets for You, a daily videocast that covers market news and share trading signals from experts. I'm Jessie Wang. First, the US dollar. The dollar fell on Thursday on reduced safety flow as a hope increased on politicians agreeing a bipartisan deal in Washington and after data show a green shoots in the housing sector. The greenback ended the day at 1.2978 to the euro and 82.10 to the yen. Today's data includes personal consumption expenditures in October, which is expected to remain unchanged. Next to the euro. The euro rose on Thursday after the risk premium paid on Italian benchmark 10 years debt fell to its lowest level in 2 years, and sentiment data from the eurozone show a rise in optimisms. The single currency ended the day at 106.55 to the yen and 0.8090 to the pound. Data out today includes the unemployment rate, which is expected to rise by a basis point to 11.7%. British pound. The pound strengthened on Thursday as risk appetite rose on better than expected global data, especially in the US and Europe, where the recovery in the housing market and strong sentiment metrics help support confidence. The sterling ended the day at 1.6039 to the dollar and 131.68 to the yen. Japanese yen. The yen fell on Thursday as safer havens flows dries up following then the release of strong data in the US and Europe, which leads to the hope that the fiscal cliff could be the sidestepped and stability might return to the euro area. The yen ended the day at 82.10 to the dollar and 106.55 to the euro. And now the section you've been waiting for, Markets Tips. Forex4you in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provide you daily trading signals from experts in the field. If your pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.296. We target at 1.3035 and 1.306 in extensions. Below 1.2096, which we look for further downside with 1.2935 and 1.2091 as targets. If we trade British pounds against US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.602. We target at 1.6065 and 1.608 in extensions. Below 1.602, which we look for further downside with 1.599 and 1.5955 as targets. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open long positions above 82. We target at 82.85 and 83.1 in extensions. Below 82, which we look for further downside with 81.65 and 81.4 as targets. Good luck and happy tradings. Tune in next Monday for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Jessie Wang and you've been watching Markets for You. Have a good weekend.